Now this question is little bit of a different type. Just look, how many numbers are there between 100 and 1000 which have exactly one of their digit as a 5? Is it clear? So now what the sense says now, between 100 and 1000 only 3 digit number lies. Now we know that we are having 3 digit number. Now after 3 digit number, what we are having? Condition is given that which have exactly one of their digit as 5. Now 5 can be in the unit place, 5 can be in the tens place, 5 can be in the hundred place, but not all together. Is it clear? So not all together. Now, so we are having 3 different cases. Now case 1. Case 1, what it says, 3 digit number having exactly one of their digit as 5, let it be in the unit place. Now first condition, the 3 digit number, one of their digit is 5 and that is only in the unit place. So just look here, in the unit place now we are having 5 that is fixed. 5 is fixed here. Okay. So how many numbers we can have in the 100 place? Okay. We can't make 0 at 100 place. Okay. Then it means here how many numbers will be there? Here will be only 8, because 0 has gone, 5 has gone, remaining are only 8. Okay. So for here now 2 numbers, 0 has gone, 5 has gone, only 8 are there. Now for here we can conclude 0. Okay. So here will be how much? Here will be 9. Okay. So by fundamental principle of counting, 5 exactly when is in unit place, then we are having 1 that is fixed one. Okay. 1 into 8 into 9, that is 72. Now case 2. Case 2 is 3 digit number having exactly one of their digit as 5 in the tens place. Now here we are having, now this is 5, this is fixed, here it is fixed, and again in the 100 place there can be only 8. There can be only 8 in the 100 place, because 5 and 0 we can't take it. So remaining including 0, now here we are having 9. Okay. So by fundamental principle of counting, we are having again 1 into 8 into 9, that is 72. Now third case. Case 3 says, when the number 5 is fixed at 100th place. 100th place. Now 5 is fixed here. Now from 0 to 9, how many are there? 5 and 5 is fixed there. 9 will be here and 9 will be here. Okay. So by fundamental principle of counting, total is 1 times 9, that is 81. Okay. Now according to given problem, total numbers are 72 plus 72 plus 81, that is 225. This is the answer.